Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Moodle as a student. If you are a student and you are using Moodle on your smartphone, this video is for you. I will show you how to log in. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Moodle app. Once you've downloaded the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you open the app, you will be prompted to this screen. Here, you will need to enter the Moodle site URL provided by your school, so tap on it. Once you enter the URL, you will see the list of sites. Choose the correct link and tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the login page of the Moodle website of your school. You can scroll down and here you can see the option sign in as a student. So tap on student and here you can enter your username and your password of your student account. Once you enter it, tap on this login button. As you can see, I'm now logged in as a student. I can tap on this 3 lines icon and access my courses. And there you go, that's how you can use Moodle as a student. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.